Welcome back to Condense. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore how you can manage your personal details and change your password. To start, navigate to the Settings menu, then select Personal Details. Here, you'll see your registered information. Click the Edit button to make updates. You can edit your full name and phone number, but remember, your email address can't be changed. If you try to enter a phone number that's already used by another user, you'll see an error message letting you know we have this number saved in our system. Be sure to enter a unique phone number. Now, let's look at how to change your password. Select the Change Password option. You'll need to enter your current password, and then create and confirm your new password. After successfully changing your password, you'll automatically be logged out for security purposes. Simply log back in with your new password to continue using Condense. That's it. You've successfully updated your personal details and secured your account. As always, if you need any assistance, our support team is ready to help.